Hi guys, in this video I am going to show how you can run Dream11 team generator on your mobile. It is a very simple process. First of all, you should go to WhatsApp where I will send the zip file to you. So after you receive the zip file from me, you have to download this zip file and then you have to navigate to the file manager whether it was downloaded or not. So you can check here. You have to click on WhatsApp. So if you have downloaded successfully, it should show here like this, Dream11 generator.zip. you have to click on this zip file. Then you have to extract this. This is asking to extract, so I would like to extract this one. And after that it is asking us to specify the path or specify the location. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna extract this file in my storage itself, which it is showing to me. So if you want to extract this one in any specific folder also, you can do that. So I'm gonna extract this one as it is. So you can see the Dream11 generator folder is extracted successfully. So after that you have to go to the Play Store. So you have to download a very small application. It will be of 2 MB. You have to type on Droid Edit. So Droid Edit and search that, and then you can see it is a very small application, 2 MB. Install that one. After that it will be installed in just 2 seconds. After its installation, you have to go to the you have to open this application. Let me quickly do that. So it will be like this. Whenever you have installed, you have to click on this one, and after that you have to give the access to this one to use your storage. That is a very small there's nothing inside that one. You have to give the permission. There is nothing to do with that one. So after that you have to click on this position, bottom left corner, and click on open. So after that you have to click on local, and you have to navigate to the folder which you have extracted just now. This is the, where was this? Yep, okay, this one is the one which we have extracted. So you have to click on this again, and you have to click on start.html. this is the very important step. You have to click on start.html, then it will open in this application. After that what you have to do is that you have to click on this symbol and preview in browser. Click on preview in browser, and then it will ask which browser you want to ask. You should always use Chrome browser for sure. It will definitely perfectly work in Chrome browser. So you have to click on Chrome. So you can see the application is running successfully. What you have to do is you have to click on 3 dots and click on desktop site, so that it will appear quite nicely. So this is how it looks. So you can see everything is working perfectly fine. You can enjoy this application after this process. So this is a one-time process. If you want to open this application again, you don't have to do the process which we have done just now. You just click on this application and same thing, preview browser and Chrome. That is the only thing you have to do. I think you guys love this video and found this helpful. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video, and if you don't like this video, please go ahead dislike this video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard.